Listen, I don't want to bore you out with a long review. I just want to give you the answer which you're looking for. Whether you should be reading Suhail Dev by Amish or not. Welcome to this spoiler-free review of Suhail Dev by Amish. And hi there, if you don't know me, I am Manpreet. I make book-related videos on this channel. If you're new here, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for regular bookish videos. Anyway, let's talk about this book, Suhail Dev by Amish. Now, Amish Tripathi has written several mythological fiction novels, which a lot of people come and say, Manpreet, they are historical fiction. Whatever you want to call them, call them. Freedom of speech, guys, okay? Apart from that, he has written one non-fiction, and now this is his first historical fiction novel, or you can say this is his seventh historical fiction novel, whichever way you prefer. But this one is slightly different. First of all, let's talk about what it is about. It is about this king named Suhail Dev, who lived ages ago and who actually stood against the invasion from Mahmud of Ghazni. And there's a lot of talk about his caste and how he was not a Kshatriya and how he, fought against the Mahmud of Ghazni and his invasion when the major kings of the country were not ready to fight against them and stop them from destroying Indian culture. So that is what the story is about. There's a bit of controversy around this book when Amish Tripathi actually announced that this book is not fully written by him. He has hired a team that helps him to collect the material, do the research and write the first draft, and then he rewrites and then he puts out this book. A lot of people did not like it. A lot of people were like, this is not Amish Tripathi's style and all that. And if you want to believe him, if you don't want to believe him, why believe what he said otherwise, which you did not like? Anyway, he actually said that he rewrote the whole draft after his team put together the first one. So it's actually his writing. I don't see why people want to hate him or dislike his book deliberately, just because he is being honest. There are so many authors who actually do this thing, who do not even do their redraft, okay? Who never ever tell you this, who never ever are honest. They are making a fool of you, but you are loving their books. You are loving that they are getting the awards that they paid 1 lakh rupees for. You are loving reading those award winning authors, and then you hate on somebody who's being honest with you. I find it very unfair. So for me, even if I thought he should not be doing this, and even if I thought this is not real writing or whatever your arguments are, even if I was on that side, for this review, for reading a book, I would have kept myself unbiased and I would have not judged this book on that basis. So that's my peace of mind on this subject. My existing viewers know how passionate I am about this. It's just that people hate the people who are honest and would worship the people who never tell you about the inside things. Just like if I do a paid review, people hate on me. You are doing paid reviews. Why are you doing that? They are jealous. But your favorite creators are always doing paid reviews and never telling you that, this is what they actually read and actually reviewed. Then you are happy with it. Wow. Anyway, coming to this book, which I really loved, so let's pay attention to that. Writing style, I feel like it was smooth enough, and a lot of people who are Indian readers, they are always looking for something that is easy to grasp, and I feel like Amish has done the job again very well. He has this amazing writing style, okay? There is this simple writing style, and then there is amazing writing style, and he has the amazing one, but still it's so smooth and simple that anybody can read it. So if you are a beginner, very beginner, I would say, you can pick it up, but you'll have to read slowly. But if you're a beginner, you can still consider this book. Now, talking about the plot now, see, I did not know about Suhail Dev's story. The only reason why this person who is not much into history got interested was because of this book, and I really am very thankful towards Amish Tripathi for doing such a thing. I mean, honestly, he has written a note in the book about why he chose this path of having a team to write the first draft and then rewriting, because he wanted to tell more stories which are never told in India. And I feel like that is such a good thought and good cause he's working on, because there are so many amazing people in India whose stories we never get to hear about, and not many people are talking about those stories. So I really appreciate it. So yeah, I give it a good 1 star extra for this cause. And then the book was really, really good. The plot, Amish Tripathi has kept you guessing. I mean, he did change a lot about actual Suhail Dev's story and actually how you would read it on the internet. But then I think it's a historical fiction. It's not supposed to be a history book, right? It's supposed to be historical fiction. So he had that freedom of writing the story in a way that would be very, very interesting, and he made it happen. I mean, what he does with the villain and how he keeps you guessing, and how he always keeps you worried. He gets you connected with Suhail Dev and Suhail Dev's cause so much that you are so worried about Suhail Dev losing the battle and losing the whole war. It's just amazing. I think a very well job done. He has made the plot so interesting and so something which you want to know about. So I really love the plot of the book in that way. And then coming to the characters, I told you how much I felt about Suhail Dev's character. And it's not just one character. All the characters are given good jobs and they are done well. All the characters are you may not love all the characters, and all the characters may not be very noticeable, but their role in the book is well placed and well done. So overall, I feel like it is a really good book written. And if you are into historical fiction, and if you haven't tried any historical fiction, even then you should definitely check out Suhail Dev by Amish. I love this book, gave it 4 out of 5 stars. I mean, it is turning out to be a pattern today, but I would give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's definitely a really good book that you must read. Simple, enjoyable, interesting, and amazing. So you should definitely check it out. And yes, guys, this is what I think about Suhail Dev by Amish. Tell me if you like this book, and if you did not like it, tell me why you didn't like it, because this is a channel where we discuss about books, so you get to have your opinion too, even if it's different than mine, as long as you have put it out respectfully. So do comment down below what you think about this book, and if you are planning to read this book, just let me know, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.